don't stop.
Hello guys, I got a story for you in Eco Warrior.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
If you want me to take you to the Eco Warrior Center, let's go guys!
Wow, that's lovely. Well done. I have to send back now. Alright, we're gonna give you an Eco Warrior badge. And that you can wear.
Okay. All the way up. Oh, they are inside. All green warriors inside. Okay, slowly walking. Okay, look for your seat.
Stop. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop.
Sara with the flower. I love the beautiful flower. What is an Eco Warrior? What is it? But we want planet Earth to be really happy and healthy. So you guys are going to become an Eco Warrior by tomorrow. How cool is that? Do you want to know something really cool? I am an Eco Warrior. Are you guys excited to be one? Woo! Now, planet Earth is of three things. Can anybody tell me what those three things are?
Water,
Did you say water? Yes, water! And land! And air! Can we say that together? Water, land, air! Yes! And what is happening to planet Earth right now? Is it a bit polluted? It's a bit unhealthy. And today and tomorrow we're going to learn all the ways that you can make planet Earth happy. This is fun.
stop. Don't stop.
I'm a little warrior because I care about Mother Earth and all the gifts she shares. Yay! You guys learned the whole routine. Can everybody do a bow or a curtsy? You guys want to do it one more time? I know! You don't like my Eco Warrior song? One more time? Or do you want to do some jumping jacks instead? Okay, we're just going to have a dance. Everybody stand up. We're doing it one more time. All you have to do is Eco Warrior, and otherwise you can do a freestyle dance. Are you ready? Let's go. Stand up. Get some meditating. I'm an Eco Warrior because I care about Mother Earth and all the gifts she shares. I purify our air by planting all things green. I reduce plastics to keep the oceans clean. I reuse all I can with pleasure. I recycle trash into treasure. So do the Eco Warrior dance with me. Let's make Mother Earth pollution free. I'm an Eco Warrior because I care about Mother Earth and all the gifts she shares. That was awesome. You guys were amazing.
Look at this. The name is Real Farmer.
Don't stop. Don't.
Alright, I'll show you the rooster now. The rooster is a boy.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Closer look. And
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't.
Here's that rooster. He's a boy. He shouted so loud. This is his house. Here, I'll show you. Passion fruit, look up. A switch and a thumb. Baby bringer. Hey, bringer, look at those baby bringers. They are quite small and baby size. Don't use a plastic bag every day. Use it one time. And I'm gonna you to share. Use more of this paper bag. Use lesser of this bag. So, meaning you should use lesser of this. But you should move on to this. You should skip this and move on to this. I hope you enjoy my video just like I enjoy making and having having fun with it. Always be like an eco-warrior. An eco-warrior is a kind of animal that cares our Mother Earth. It's called Mother because it's Mother Earth.
Plastic bag.
No plastic bag! This better.
Done.
Is this vegetable or flower? I don't know. Butterfly. What?
Here. It's flying.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay. Good job.